Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue without eggs easy guide. Start by draining a can of chickpeas and measure 3 tablespoons of aquafaba per egg replaced. Chill the bowl in beaters for best volume, then whip aquafaba with 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar until soft peaks. Gradually add 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar at a time until stiff, glossy peaks are achieved. Whipping technique makes all the difference, so start slow and build speed as volume increases. Add sugar in small increments and pause to ensure it dissolves for a silky texture. If your mixture seems soft, a pinch of cream of tartar or a teaspoon of lemon juice helps stabilize it gently. For pavlova or cookies, fold in a small amount of powdered sugar at the end to tighten the structure. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for playing baking playlists and setting hands-free timers while you whip aquafaba. It's compact, sounds great, and makes the kitchen more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When baking eggless meringue, low and slow is the rule to avoid browning and weeping. Aim for a gentle oven near 200 degrees F and bake until the meringues feel dry and lift easily from parchment. Turn off heat and let them cool inside with the door cracked to prevent cracks. Once cooled, store in an airtight container in a dry place to keep them crisp and light for days.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.